Hey, to install iOS Launcher on the Realme Note 50, first of all, you will have to open the Google Play Store, then click on the search, and now you will have to input this phrase iOS Launcher. And as you can see, there's like different apps that you can use, but I can recommend you to get this one, the Launcher iOS 18. So this is actually from the Lucene developer, and we have to just click and install it. And now just wait for a few moments until we will get this application on our phone. Then click to open. Now accept permissions. There we go. Now when you go back, we'll have to go to the settings. Go into the apps. Select default apps. And select home application. Click on the settings. Click here. And then select Launcher iOS 18. Click OK. Accept everything. And now when we go back, we have to just click here, and as you can see now, we've got this iOS Launcher 18 on our phone. Also, you can get here the other different parts of the iOS. So, for example, you can get the control center, but you will have to actually also download another application. So this is actually this one, the control center. Sometimes you will actually get some pop-up ads, but you can quickly turn them off. And you have to actually download another application. And in this place, you can actually adjust a lot of different things. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.